and today we're going to go through checking out some quick ways to drawing the braids. As you'll see, it's a pretty short video, but I really wanted to give you guys a chance to get started very simply on creating braids. So right here, as you can see, I did a quick testing of the pens, but I am keeping it simple. So at first, I do a general outline that is more towards the triangles, the sort of diamond shape, the sort of just a simple little, almost rounded oblong shapes. And then afterwards, I just follow the flow of the original sketch. Try to keep it a little natural, but as you can see, very quickly, I'm just going in and adding in all of these quick little diamond shapes. And once I get that general flow, if I want, I could add in a couple of little simple details. And again, this is meant to be an easy follow along, just getting you started. But right here, I'm doing these little V diamond shape to kind of represent where the hair folds. So right here, you can see a very nice and simple type of braid. And other than adding in quick details, let's get on to almost another kind of variation. So using the same kind of techniques over and over again, I'm going to show you a chunky braid. So quickly, I just do a quick hairline. And right now I'm doing the same similar diamond shape, but in this case, I made the diamond shape more soft, almost kind of like heart-like. And you can see I don't have the shape fully attached, but real quickly, I add this little downward curve to, again, sort of get you the visualization that, oh, this is a braided piece or really large braid of hair. And if you want, you could add in some more cross lines to represent the actual line direction of the braid. But really the point of this very simple tutorial is just to get you started and realizing that when people see your image, they get a chance to really see that, oh, this is a braid, even though it may not be the most like super detailed rendered luxurious braid. And whether you decide to add more cross hatching or not, after you get the general shape down, it's all based on your own style. So you go as you feel. So again, we're going to go here and go for smaller haired braids. And again, the point is for it to be easy to read. Like if someone just sees it, they get the sense that, oh, this is a braided hairstyle. So I keep it simple and I give kind of like a bumpy squiggly line to represent those bumps that you would see if you were looking at the hair from afar. Yeah, just fill it in, add it in a quick little detail, look like it's been pulled back, and perhaps some shade afterwards. So just go ahead and keep to the, the shape and flow in the line of the artwork, and be sure to shade it in so you get a sense of a nice three-dimensional look to the hair. So all in all, like braiding, especially at the start, is pretty simple. It's not until you want to go like something highly complicated. And once you get the general basics done, you can go a bit more complicated or complex. As you can see here, I gave a really large braided head hairdo, and just all I did was did those general diamond shapes, and then I have some of the cross lines kind of following the flow of where the hair would go. And again, I'm just showing you quickly individually by itself what the hair would look like. You add in the center little curve and then a couple of cross hairlines to show, oh, this is a braid. And afterwards, how you render it is up to you and based on your style. Again, just doing very quick little diamonds, maybe a small little hanging braid. But you can see here, the concept is not that different. It's just really based on your style. So all in all, I hope this very quick and simple and straight to the point tutorial was helpful, you guys. Let me know in your comments if there's anything else you'd like me to teach you, or if you have any kind of preference. But all in all, more than anything, I know a lot of times these videos tend to be long-winded, so I hope you guys appreciated the short one. Anyhow, I will see you guys in the next video.